to the unit. Just the units arrived today. Banjo bolts. Banjo bolt time. So, let's go fit them. Need to open the car first, that I don't want it to fail out. Bam. Right. Let's get to the unit. Right. Unit. Got some lights on. Sound. VXR's there. We had Steve from Donny Automotive Glass come out yesterday. So back windows are out. They're all out. Woohoo! Yeep. And yeah, made a bit of a mess because I made a boo-boo. And yeah, I kind of broke the glass, didn't I? And then I put the car on dollies so it's easier to move. And as I've gone to push the car, I put my thumb through straight through glass anyway, so I made the glass even worse. But the car's there, banjo bolts are here, but do you know what we're doing first? Gonna go and get a coffee. So, definitely, coffee is much needed before we do any work. Charge my speaker. Right, keys are out. Don't best want the car early, you know. Bing. Right. Coffee time, come back. Shut this. Oh fuck. I can't. Shut it, right. Go get a coffee. And then we'll get cracking. We'll put these banjo bolts in. Fill it with oil. And hopefully fire it up. And then as soon as I'm down here, I think I'll put windows in as well. So while I've got a bit of time, hopefully while car's doing a heat cycle, I'll put the windows in. So I need to do a few heat cycles yet. Yeah. Coffee in hand now. There's some fucking shares in this place, I'm not gonna lie. So what that's it, unit. We'll get cracking, I think. Put these banjo bolts in. Hopefully I don't snap them this time. And then fill the car with oil. See how we go. So these were whole banjo bolts that were meant to go in there. Obviously snapped. Where's my new ones? New ones are here. So we'll get them on there. Right, so I'll start banjo bolt in now. So we'll put wheel back on, fill it with oil, let's go. We're running. So underneath we've got no leaks, although I did see a drip, so something, it might just be a loose seal somewhere, but it's only a tiny drip. It's better than when it were pissing out. Everything's run. Whew. Can you believe? We put the windows in as well. They're just waiting and waiting. Oh my God, I cannot believe we built it. How nice does that sound? Haha, yeah boy. Yeah, we'll let it do an heat cycle. We'll keep an eye on that drip just to make sure it don't get any worse. And by the looks of it, it's not. It's one tiny drip. I reckon I know what it is, and there's, because I think I've got a baffle sump on it, I think I need to take the sump back off and put a gasket sealant on it. And I think that's the only place we've got everything. Other than that, we're not pissing water out. Got a bit of smoke from turbo, but I think that's just probably all the crap that's been in it. It's either that or V-band clamp's not on properly. But obviously it's been sat for God knows how long. But it runs mint. fantastic. Well happy. Can't stick there. But we'll let it get a bit warm. It's getting warm, it's getting warm. Make sure we've got no leaks. It holds pressure. I'm so excited about this. Like, oh, honestly, I'm buzzing. I'm just more buzzing. That's something I've built. Runs, couldn't drive yet, because obviously it's on the dollies. It fucking works, you know what? I'm fucking well impressed with my son here. Come on. Oh, it done half sound naughty. So, now that's done. I'm going home now, honestly. Finish my drink. Oh, well happy. So, I know that was only short like, but that was just what I needed to do today. I just wanted to get that done, and then I can concentrate on everything else. Now that's done, there's less fucking stress about that, because then it can go for its new ECU now. Obviously we can titivate all these little leaks and stuff. They'll be easy. I mean, you know, gasket sealants, etc. Come end of March, the season starts in April, so hopefully come end of March, we're ready to go. Everything will be ready. Yeah, man, by the way, not gonna move. Might start just doing like drives and shit. I mean, because we've got plenty of cars to go out and about in. Road trips, daily trips. Might start uploading little content like that. I'll get some mounts and whatnot, and we'll take you some trips. We'll do full coverage race weekends, hopefully. I don't do a lot on YouTube because of the copyright stuff, because I like listening to music while I'm doing everything, so YouTube is not really a great platform, but I suppose for like race weekends, when it comes to filming race weekends, etc., that's probably going to be the better platform to put them on. But other than that, it's only going to be Instagram stories, TikTok reels, well, Instagram reels, TikTok, whatever they are. Happy, VXR's running now. Good. Everything's good, everything's good. We're heading in the right direction. Oh, well, you're a dickhead. Shouldn't have gone in that lane, let's beat you around about. Oh, hey, a bit slidey. X drive.